Trust me, Louisiana State Rough Ending and Amtrak's here. Yeah, we just made in time. With backwards engine as well. Number 171 and 76. Yep. That's it. See you next time I'll cut. Yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. Amtrak's coming. Luckily we made it. We were just on time at that first spot. Now we're at the second spot. I hear the bell. Yep, it's right there. The backwards engine. Good job. Oh my God! Jingle bells again. Number 171 and 76. Yep, that's it. See you next time. Yeah, see you next time.